Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO Find X2 Pro, and I'm going to show you how the fingerprint sensor works when you put on your display tempered glass. So as you can see, you can spot this tempered glass right here on the edges, and also right here. There we got the flat version of the tempered glass, and just take a look how your fingerprint sensor will perform when you put on it the tempered glass. So we are going to make a few tries. So what I can say, this fingerprint sensor works really smooth. Even when you put on your display tempered glass, there is no any problem with fingerprint sensor sensitivity. As you can see, it recognizes our fingerprint every time. So what I can say, when you put on your display tempered glass, it will also perform really good, so we don't have to worry about things like that. That's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.